Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable biometric login on the USAA app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone. Now log in normally with your username and password if you are not already logged in. Once you logged in, you will see your home page. Look for the menu icon or tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After that, tap on settings. In the settings menu, look for security or sign in and security. Tap on that option. Now you should see an option for biometric login, Face ID or Touch ID depending on your iPhone model. Tap on it, turn on the switch to enable biometric login. Your iPhone may ask you to confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID or your phone's passcode. These steps make sure it's really you. Once that's done, biometric login is enabled. Next time you open the USAA app, you won't need to type your password. You can simply look at your phone or touch the fingerprint sensor and you will be signed in instantly. And that's it, you have successfully enabled biometric login on the USAA app using your iPhone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.